Hi friends, good morning. One more thing I want to request Mr. Divijit Chavan sir to please face the public and tell them that you have not helped us at all and what happened to you I don't know. You came at night and removed the video and showed the public that you're going to help us lifetime. You're going to give us money every month. We are like you are like our son and we are your parents. So all this, just face the public and tell them that you are not a son and we are not your parents. You just for time pass you remove this video, okay? And tell them the truth because they should know that you have not put any money in the bank for us. They are thinking in their mind now lots of money has come to us. You're every month helping us. You have put lots of money in a bank and we are uh, having lots of fun with that money. So please I request you, sir, please don't put false statement that you're helping us, but tell them the truth that you're not helping us. It is will have to come on the CN channel because we are very poor. I'm also to my financial I become poor, and my husband is original poor, and a lot of people have eaten our money. It's my owner, Mr. Praveen Gosala. He's also eaten our money so much. And our neighbor also used to feel our money. She's also eaten our money. So we are a lot intense and we are sick. So we don't want this tension and false statement for people to know that we have money in our hand and you're giving us every month and you have put 10,000 in the bank. So please I request you all to tell the public. Request you, sir, Divijit Chavan, to request to tell the people that you are not putting any money for us and you're not helping us. And sir, I want to tell you one more thing also. What you did to us, don't do to the others. They will feel bad. We felt bad because you did that to us. But don't do this to others. They will not like it. Because your name is come so much high and people are respecting you and they're saying you're a nice person, you're a good person. But to us, why you did like that, I don't know. Perhaps you were not written in our destiny. That's why like that must have happened. And the second thing, sir, I'll tell you one more thing. If you want to go to and if you're going to help many other people also, please don't listen to anybody's comments. If you listen to other people's comments, you're lost. You lose everything. You won't be able to help them further. So please, with your heart, if you want to help, please help if the way your wish is there. But do not listen to anybody comments. You listen to their comments and you stop helping us. Sir, it was your duty to come to the house next day. I called you also. Come to the house and ask us what was the problem. Why we did not tell you that we have rooms. We didn't get chance to tell you because you came all of a sudden in the night and all garbage. You took out the video and all that money you showed and all that. All that garbage became so we didn't get chance to talk to you properly. So we were taking like to call you the second time and personally to tell you like all our these problems are there. We have got a rented room. Somebody else has built a rented room behind to pity us because we are going to very tough time for money. I used to always in the church sit down there and beg people for money. So there were three foreigners who were going to the church, going to the Blessed Sacrament. So they asked me every night they used to see me miss asking for people money. So they asked me, you need any help? You are in any trouble? So then I said, yeah, true. I have to buy a lot of medicines. Our money for medicines only is going 3,000, 4,000 for medicines. Now one bottle 500, tablets have become 6, 700. So let it every month like there are more medicines, lot of medicines. I will show them to you on the second video. So all these medicines you need money. Because of that, I used to ask people for money. But then and a lot of people have eaten my money, so there's no support to ask for that money back. So that's why I used to ask people for money. So those boys, they were like angels, prince. They came to my house. They saw my house first. They saw we didn't have any room. We didn't have any rented room, nothing. So then with their money, they built that rented room and gave us. So since they built a room, the whole room was not complete. So we had to take money from others and clear that room. They told if we come back, they had to go abroad back because of some problem happened in their house. They came from America. So the remaining room we had to clear it because we had to start the room. We had to start the room. So we had to take from this one money and finish the full covering. The top was left, then the painting was left, then the lights were left, then the tiles were left. It's not a joke. That also cost a lot of money. So we have to take from this and that one money and we have to clear everything. So dear friends, please I request Divijit Sawan not to feel bad and not to take a false statement like this that he's helping us. If he's helping us, face the truth, he's helping us. Don't take out simply videos and tell he's going to put this much money in the bank and that money in the bank and tell make people all upset already. They're all excited, especially our neighbors. We have very beautiful neighbors. So beautiful neighbors, they go to church every day. God teaches them to help one another. If anybody is coming up, to help that person to come up more. But in our area, these beautiful neighbors of ours, they don't want anyone to come up. If they see anyone coming up, they get jealous. They get angry. They don't like. Only they should come up. They should go abroad. They should go for government work. They should make bungalows. They should do this. They should do that. But if we have to do anything like come up, or even if my husband has to buy one, if he has to buy something in the house and get also, so much money he has with him, he's getting things in the house and coming. Uh, that bike was given by Jennifer Monstrad. Such a beautiful person. She gave him that bike because she used to see him every time he was struggling with that cycle. It was a gift for him. But then next day, the people in our area, our neighbors, got very jealous. How is Sadan brought bike? Sadan has a lot of money, brought bike. No, never think that way, cruel way, cruel way. Never have a cruel mind. Always have a happy mind. If somebody is coming up, let that person come up. Don't get jealous. God never teaches us. We are Christian, no? God never teaches us to get jealous. On top of that, God says, pray for them to get more rich. And those have built bungalows now in our area. There are so many people have built bungalows and having gone abroad and lots enjoying their life. We are saying God help them more. We always pray in our rosaries. When we do our rosaries, anytime we pray to God, bring them up and take care of them and support them. We don't pray, why they come up, they should come down now. So we have beautiful neighbors who are very jealous over us. This is what I wanted to tell Divijit Chavan. So be very careful and never do wrong statements that you're giving us this money and just clear it on the video. Take out a video and clear it and tell the public that you're not helping us. Because I have a owner also, Mr. Praveen Gosela, has still not given me my money. He has to clear the money. Until he clears the money, he is not going to be in peace. Let anyone come and tell him anything about us, about me especially, but he's not going to be in peace until he clears the money. His full family is there. If he's not there, his family is there. They have to face it afterwards. And a lot of problems later they have to face. So before facing all that, they have to clear the money. They have to get all together. The two sons and the father has to get together and clear that money. Okay, friends? Take care. Have a nice morning. Love you. And support me if you see these videos on the Facebook and on the YouTube. And viral it everywhere. Viral it everywhere. Why I'm telling you to viral it everywhere? Because Devijit Chaman and remote this video that he's going to pay us every month. He's going to take care of us. He is going to take the responsibility of being the son of us and helping us. So he has to tell back now that he's not helping us. We are not his son. We are not his parents. And he has to clear everything now. Because of that, I told him viral it. Okay. Take care. Have a nice day. And if the video you like, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you.